Ever spent hours blocking out a shooting range one wall at a time? Yeah, that pain is real. This pack drops you straight into a fully modular interior set. Over 100 modular pieces, walls, floors, cover objects, and props, all optimized for URP. Plop them down and your FPS prototype looks like a real level from day one. Every asset uses clean PBR materials, so your URP lighting makes metal glint and concrete roughen up naturally. A demo scene shows you exactly how everything fits together. 25 reviews, perfect 5 stars. People keep saying it's the most complete indoor range pack they've found. This set is specifically indoor shooting ranges. If you need outdoor or sci-fi arenas, you'll want to supplement. Only $2.50. That works out to about 2.5 cents per module. You won't find better cost per unit anywhere. Grab it on the store. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. You want floating bubbles in your URP scene, but writing a refractive shader from scratch is a rabbit hole. This pack hands you the magic on a silver platter. Real-time bubble shaders with refraction, distortion, and iridescent colors. Drop the material on a sphere and you've got convincing soap bubbles or sci-fi energy orbs. Multiple variations included, big transparent ones, tiny frothy trails, even bubble streams. All tweakable via material parameters so you can match any mood. 22 reviews, all 5 stars. Devs are raving about the instant visual pop. These are screen space effects, so be careful on mobile. Too many bubbles can hammer draw calls. $7.50. For that price, you skip at least a day of shader programming. Huge time saver. Your game looks gorgeous in URP, but still has placeholder beeps. That's a mood killer. This music and sound pack fixes it with one import. Over 50 tracks and hundreds of SFX tailored for casual and mobile games. Menus, gameplay, wind jingles, the works. All royalty-free, all pre-mixed. The audio is balanced and ready to drop in. No sound designer needed. Just drag clips into your timeline and ship faster. Only 4 reviews so far, but all 5 stars. Early adopters are thrilled with the variety. The style is cheerful and casual. If you're making a horror game, you'll want different audio. $15. Compare that to hiring a composer for 1 minute of music, you'd pay 10 times that. This is a steal. Building a mystery game environment piece by piece is exhausting. KayKit delivers an entire moody set ready to drop into your URP project. Modular walls, floors, furniture, and props, all in that charming low-poly style. Perfect for detective or adventure games. Colliders and URP materials included. Each model comes pre-matched with materials, so you can start building your haunted mansion in under 5 minutes. No texture hunting. 3 reviews, all 5 stars. People say it's the best value mystery pack on the store. The style is very specific low poly. It won't fit realistic or high poly projects without retexturing. $12.50. That's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and you get an entire mystery world. Go ahead, treat yourself. Electricity effects are notoriously hard to get right. They look fake or burn performance. This pack makes stylized lightning and sparks both fast and beautiful. Dozens of presets, lightning bolts, arcs, ground sparks, static electricity, all built on VFX Graph with URP support, so they scale from indie to AAA. Fully customizable, color, frequency, intensity, and more. Demo scenes included so you can reverse engineer any effect. 4 perfect reviews, and the demos speak for themselves. Devs love the instant wow factor. Because it uses VFX Graph, it needs a modern GPU, maybe overkill for simple 2D projects. $7.50. If one client project uses this, you've paid it off 100 times over. That's business ROI. You have a folder of beautiful PNG textures, but turning them into PBR materials is a pain. This tool automates the whole headache. Drag and drop any diffuse texture and it generates normal, roughness, metallic, and height maps on the fly. Outputs a ready-to-use URP material instantly. Batch process hundreds of textures at once. A task that used to take hours now takes seconds. Includes presets for different material types. 3 reviews, all 5s. Artists say it's the tool they never knew they needed. Auto-generated maps are good but not perfect. For hero assets, you may still want to hand-tweak normals. $13.75. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. It's a no-brainer. Save systems look simple until you need multiple slots, autosave, and encryption. This asset handles all that and more with zero fuss. Manual, auto, and quick saves across unlimited slots. Save any data, ints, floats, transforms, even custom classes. Works on PC and mobile with full URP compatibility. Comes with a ready-to-use UI. Load, save, continue, pause menu, pagination. Drop it in and your entire save flow is done. No extra coding. 3 perfect reviews from devs who say it saved them weeks of work. The initial setup for custom data types requires reading the docs, but once you get it, it's smooth. $12. For that, you skip 40 hours of coding your own save system. That's less than minimum wage per hour saved. Huge time saver. Loading screens are often slapped together last minute, but they really polish the player experience. Evo Loader gives you beautiful modular loading screens in minutes. 7 complete presets with animated bars, backgrounds, hints, and transition modes. Mix and match or build your own. Supports additive, single, and transitional loading. The UI is fully customizable, and the developer support on Discord is incredibly responsive. Comprehensive docs get you started fast. 11 reviews averaging 4.73. People love how quick it is to integrate and the active support. The code has some rough edges, leftover debug logs, and messy access modifiers. If you're a code purist, plan a quick cleanup before shipping. $7.50. Compare that to a freelancer charging $50 for a custom loading screen. Even with cleanup time, you're way ahead. You want realistic bullet physics without writing a full ballistics engine? True Ballistics gives you military-grade simulation drop-in ready. Physically accurate gravity, air resistance, drag models from G1 to G8, even Coriolis effect and wind. Handles hundreds of projectiles simultaneously using ECS and burst. Over 380 real-world weapons with authentic ballistic data, realistic ricochets and penetration based on material properties. It's a simulation powerhouse. 1 review so far, 5 stars. The only person says it's the most accurate ballistics asset they've found. The setup uses ECS concepts. The demo scene helps, but there's a learning curve if you're new to dots. $15, that works out to 4 cents per weapon model. Absurd value for a century of real-world data. Spellcasting animations are the heart of any Magic game, but hand-keying them is a nightmare. This pack gives you a full set of high-quality spells ready to use. Over 60 animations covering fire, ice, lightning, healing, and dark magic. Each spell has start, loop, and end variants for smooth blending. All humanoid and root motion ready, works with any character controller. Includes sword and staff variations for different casting styles. 6 reviews averaging 4.33. Devs appreciate the variety and blendability. These are for humanoid characters only. If you use non-humanoid creatures, you'll need to retarget. $14. Less than 2 fancy coffees today for an arsenal of animations. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.